Have you ever stopped to think about the vital role minerals play in your daily diet? Well, let's dive into it. Minerals are naturally occurring substances found in the food we eat and are classified into two main categories: macrominerals and trace minerals. Macrominerals are needed in larger amounts and include elements such as calcium, phosphorus, and potassium. On the other hand, trace minerals like iron, zinc, and copper are just as vital but required in smaller quantities. Our bodies require a variety of minerals, but let's focus on four key players: calcium, sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. Diving right into it, calcium, renowned for its role in bone health, is also vital for heart function, muscle contraction, and nerve signaling. We need to consume foods high in calcium. Dairy products like milk and cheese are famously calcium-rich, but you can also find it in leafy greens, almonds, and fortified foods like orange juice. Shifting gears, we have sodium, the mineral often associated with table salt. Sodium plays a key role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve transmission, and muscle contraction. It's like the traffic cop of our bodies, directing the flow of fluids and signals. Foods high in sodium include processed meats, canned soups, and, yes, table salt. But remember, moderation is key when it comes to sodium. Next up is potassium, working together to maintain fluid balance and regulate blood pressure. Potassium also supports nerve function and muscle contractions, always there to back up and balance sodium's actions. You can find potassium in bananas, sweet potatoes, and white beans. Finally, we have phosphorus. Phosphorus is essential for energy production, bone and teeth formation, and pH regulation. Phosphorus is found in protein-rich foods like meat, poultry, fish, nuts, and beans, as well as dairy products. Continuing with our mineral spotlight, let's talk about iron, magnesium, and zinc. These are three heavy hitters in the mineral world, each playing vital roles in maintaining our health. First up, iron. This mineral is crucial for the production of hemoglobin, a protein in your red blood cells that allows them to carry oxygen around your body. Without enough iron, your body can't make enough healthy oxygen-carrying red blood cells, leading to a condition known as iron deficiency anemia. So where can you find iron in your food? Think red meats, seafood, beans, and dark green leafy vegetables like spinach. Next on our list is magnesium. This mineral is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. It helps maintain normal nerve and muscle function, supports a healthy immune system, keeps your heartbeat steady, and helps bones remain strong. It also aids in regulating blood glucose levels and in the production of energy and protein. Foods high in magnesium include almonds, black beans, whole grains, and avocados. Last but certainly not least, we have zinc. This mineral is essential for our immune system to function properly. It also plays a role in cell division, cell growth, wound healing, and the breakdown of carbohydrates. Zinc is necessary for the senses of taste and smell. Foods rich in zinc include oysters, which are the highest source, red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, and whole grains. It's important to note that while these minerals are found in a variety of foods, the amount you get from your diet can vary depending on the soil where the foods are grown and how the foods are prepared. So it's always a good idea to eat a wide variety of foods to ensure you're getting a mix of different nutrients. Remember, a varied diet rich in minerals can help you meet your daily needs. Now that we know the importance of minerals and where to find them, how can we ensure our bodies absorb them effectively? Let's dive into some tips for maximizing mineral absorption. First, we have food pairing. Certain foods, when eaten together, can enhance the absorption of minerals. For instance, consuming vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, strawberries, or bell peppers along with iron-rich foods like spinach or lentils can increase the absorption of iron. Similarly, pairing calcium-rich foods with vitamin D sources like sunlight or fortified cereals can enhance calcium absorption. Then we have the concept of balance. Consuming too much of one mineral can hinder the absorption of another. For example, having an excess of zinc can interfere with copper absorption, while consuming an excess of calcium can inhibit iron absorption. Avoiding certain habits can also be beneficial. For instance, excessive consumption of alcohol, caffeine, or highly processed foods can interfere with mineral absorption. Also, certain medications and antacids can impact the absorption of minerals like calcium and magnesium. Adequate hydration is another key factor. Water aids in the digestion process and helps dissolve minerals and other nutrients, making them more accessible to the body. So make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Lastly, remember that each person's ability to absorb minerals can vary depending on factors like age, health status, and individual metabolism. So it's essential to listen to your body and adjust your diet accordingly. With these tips, you can make the most of the minerals in your diet, supporting your health and vitality. With knowledge, balance, and a bit of strategy, you can ensure that your body is getting the minerals it needs to function optimally. And remember, the journey to better health is always a work in progress, so keep exploring, learning, and growing.